Sauce with spinach leaves pasta. Today we have extra cheese and yummy blue cheese sauce pasta, featuring this gorgeous Belmorso spinach leaves shaped pasta. Fun and colorful shaped pasta like this one makes beautiful dishes that are great when you are having guests, but are also a fun way to have your kids eat different foods. This pasta is made with spinach, so it's extra healthy, and your kids won't know it. Ingredients: makes 2 medium portions. 1 small onion. Belmorso spinach leaves pasta. 200 milliliters cooking white cream, we are using lactose free. Half cup walnuts. 50 grains blue cheese. 1 tablespoon grated parmesan cheese. Belmorso extra virgin olive oil. We are using Novello, but you can also use Belmorso EVO. Fresh parsley, salt, and pepper. Preparation. Start by washing, peeling, and cutting your onion into thin slices. Set aside in a bowl. Then take your walnuts and chop them thinly using a knife. If you prefer, you can even blitz them, especially if you are worried about the texture is hard to swallow for kids. Fill a pot with water, salt it and let the water boil. In the meantime, pour some extra virgin olive oil into a pan and add the onions to sauté for 5 minutes. When the water is boiling, you can throw your pasta so that it starts cooking. It should take under 15 minutes. Add your chopped walnuts to the onions and mix them together. Leave to sauté with the onions for another 5 minutes. Next, add your white cooking cream, and season with plenty of salt and black pepper. Add your blue cheese into crumbled pieces, and mix well until it melts and is amalgamated with the cooking cream. Leave to simmer at low heat for another 5 minutes. Next, add your white cooking cream, and season with plenty of salt and black pepper. Once the pasta is ready, drain it, add it back to the pot and pour the blue cheese sauce over it. Mix gently and serve. Finish the pasta with some parsley, chopped walnuts, and grated parmesan. Buon appetito!